Not good. Small time now, I go say, Mommy T, the first people make a share video. I go still give on a gist. Who wants share, go still share. You can do if you want to do, if you want to actually help somebody. But if you don't want, you don't go do. So, not be by force, do if you can. But now a plea, because you can also help somebody. This thing where I been come give una as I tell una, na the gist, na yesterday, he passed me to say make I put camera on immediately. It is really, really sad. I don't start today. This video where this lady watch before they share this story with me. It is one of these my YouTube videos where I don't start them for what do they call them? Challenges of single mothers. Challenges where single mothers they go through. That is the series I'm doing now. I did the 4th episode today. And so the second episode where I do, I think now somebody share. So she can't see her. Now you can say, no, make he can call me. So I see can they face the challenges of being a single mother. Now there where you can share the gist give me. Now, this lady, according to the story where you give me, it be there Africa. Okay? I see there Africa. She actually, share this story because he won't say make them. She wants to tell somebody the wrongs where she do, make another person know do. Okay? So when her husband come out to Bodo, you go marry and come. As he come out to Bodo, you go marry and come Europe. So she can't date with her husband. They come born, then get 4 children. Okay? Then get 4 children with the husband. When the time when she come, wahala don't start already. When I know, so the error when they tell me say himself do, when they regret today. But the thing is that the man took a decision already that he will never come back to her, no matter what. So when the man marry and come, they come they born these children. When I know this wahala where they always come blah blah, money, money, money. This money when they for Bodo Yibo here and property. The man wants to control the money. The woman wants to control the money. So as they know, money when they pay for children, nah, woman money, man not supposed to get anything to do there. But according to her, the husband did not want to take the money. The husband wanted them to plan together as a family. But that time, she no be see all these things. Thank you, Shantu, for sharing. Thank you. So she not be see all these things, all the good things where her husband be wants for her, for the family. She also wanted to do something. Thank you, lovely, for sharing. She be one carry the money. I take free. Thanks for sharing. She be one carry the money for her own body. Make sure they do her own things. You know that kind of thing that you know that I come out Africa, I come Europe now for my family, to help my family and everything. Even though now you marry me, you no get no rights over me. And this money, according to her stories of other women telling them that they know that this money is for the woman that has given birth to the children, the man has nothing to do with it. So for that noise where they hear from outside, he carry that noise, he go they put out for his husband body for his house. So when month end all the time, it's always problem because of this money. Save even money for the children. He no save. They no save money because she is the only one that is always giving the husband trouble about this money. So at the end of the day, then the man tell us, okay, if not because of say I go stay with you, say because of this money, maybe me and you follow they get problem every month. I got the data for sharing. Every month, me and you go get problem because of this money. It is better maybe we come they separate. Because I want, Cornelia, thank you. I want us to build something for the family, but you just are thinking of yourself. So make her they go so that we will not have any problem again. Because if you continue to stay, say one day one serious problem will come out, and he no wants make those kind of things happen. So that is how they separated. Okay, when they separated, the man went and he get another woman, and so he said sit down. As he come sit down now, not because they collect all the money when they collect. But at the end of the day, after the man left, she found out that the things were not like the way she thought they would be, even with all the money she was collecting. But there is no way, because the man said he will not come back to her anymore. Now, what's happened? Person don't put Carla, thank you so much. Person don't put head for outside. He say he won't go find another man. Okay? He won't go find man. Or men, they look for her. You know, one thing where they always talk, where I talk also today for my YouTube, this video where I shared today. When I go watch am, I beg, when I help me to subscribe. One thing where they talk, be say, men, when a woman, and now one thing where women get to put am for their head, when you don't get 1, 2, 3, 4 children, it no mean say man no go like you or man no go want to go out with you. The thing be say, now just a few men, they go actually come into your life where they go love you that much, love you with those children and take those children like their own. Not be every man where they come with good to choose for her. After all, when her father don't go, he don't carry another woman go. So now me, now me I dey with una. So anything I want do, una go take her like that as I dey give una. She never had time. Now it be say for now, so as the situation dey now like this, she not even fit know when this matter starts under her own nose. He don't know when this man starts to the on when the man starts, on when the man, so she does not know when the whole thing started, because he be dey blinded for her own love when you get her for the guy. Now what don't happen? Children they go school. Now quarantine time be this one. Quarantine. 4 eyes. You dey look me, I dey look you. 24 hours. Here, now they with it. No shaking. Elder John, welcome. Good afternoon. She did not have time to look these children. Oh. So now quarantine, now time be this one. When they inside house with the children. So according to her, she noticed that, there is something that was not right. Something was not right with the little girl, because he said the girl can't behave one kind. The girl, they avoid them, like, even though they are eating and then they call the girl to come and eat, they behave. She's always locking up herself inside the bedroom, they come out. Nothing. So this thing not they happen for days. Now you call the one that say, now which kind of behavior is this? So this one is new. What is wrong with you? Go tell your mama. He said the first time, he vex. She even got the girl well beaten though, for on top of the thing where, like, I don't know what I call him, a careless mother. No, not careless. She is just, full of stress. We don't know what we go do with herself. So the first time when this thing happened, when they called the girl, say, come eat. That kind of thing. She got mad and she was like screaming and even slapping and beating. It happened about 3 times. Now the 3rd time when this girl talk, say, he no go come out for the room where they. Now the man self, if you see some men where their heart, they filled with evil. Now the man self, now they help her. He they even ask and say, why is this girl behaving like this? And why is this one happening? Now he self called they stand by a boyfriend, called they tell and say, he don't know what he they worry this girl, that kind of thing. You think say you don't beat too much, Yeah, I will just beat you now. I will just do this one. So he don't know what he enter his head. According to her, he take time now. He go for inside the room where the girl dey. Now he go meet up the small girl. Now you can't ask and say, people they eat. They call you, say me you can't eat. You don't want to come and eat. You have been looking yourself here all day in the room. What is your wahala? What did they worry you? Now the girl boss cry. Now they cry you. Now they cry you. And they ask and say, but why are you crying? What is your problem? In a shake, children. That one at 15 is a child. He don't know anything. Now they shake. They cry seriously. They shake. Now I'm call the man say, now what thing they go on? Now the man stand. They look this small girl. Hey, oh God. Sometimes, sometimes you go just there are some things that they will happen for you where you go they wonder. You go they wonder, say, did that really this thing? It happened under your nose. It happened under your nose for where you did for inside house. You don't get time to see it. How it happened? Where it starts? How? That is when you will know, say, Mr. Ezzy says, it's really selling after the market. It don't go when market don't close. Market don't close. She can carry your car or your load. They go back for house. Or if you like, go and fry your load. If you like, cook them. If you like, you boil them. So the girl can't tell her now, it's okay. He said, make uncle go out. He go tell him, mama, this is where the warrior. The mama care. Why now? Why will you tell uncle to go out? After all, his uncle, he's like your father. So you can say everything in front of uncle. And is he not a family member? Now this mom can tell her, say, if uncle no go out, he no go talk. If uncle no go out for the room, he no go talk. Now he come tell uncle, say, okay, carry yourself, go out of the room so that I can have a talk to mama to pikin talk. So as the uncle take leg waka, come out of the room. Now he come dey cry you, come dey cry you, come dey cry you. He tell mama say, as e be like this, he dey always fear to come for where they sit down with uncle because of this thing. I no fit take my mouth take all this thing. God, I won't cry. He said because uncle they follow and they do something. Now your mama ask her say, follow you they do something like doctor can say, okay, no problem. Say the pikin can't get belle. He get belle when don dey reach 2 months already. He pregnant for uncle. Now there the lady say, this one now, he won't faint. He say he won't faint, but he try as much as he fit to control himself, because if doctor know wetin dey go on, olopa go hear, and the story no go take the e no go remain for place where e dey. So, and even herself, they go collect the pikin for her hand. You no go see the pikin again. And uncle will go to prison. Uncle go prison while they go collect pikin for her hand. Okay? So, now, he get to try as much as possible to put himself together to make doctor no know say na uncle na he give that pikin belle. So he carry the pikin now, he come house. As they don't come house now, since that day, the house to house don't be like say now die, now in the inside house. Say person don't die. Because he no get a life again. The girl say, Mommy T, as I did now, in short, she want to die. She want to commit suicide. He won't die. Because counting her life from the time when her husband, he come marry her for Africa. Carry her with all the love where he gets for her. Carry her come for Bodo Ibu. And again, one thing, now he don't know how he go and tell the pikin papa. Say, come and see what is happening. The uncle will bring come for inside house. The time where you don't go. Uncle don't cause scatter things. So at this point now, he don't know. In short, he don't know what's to happen. But in the regret plenty. Man go marry you for Africa. He bring her. You can't enter Obodo Ibo. You dey hear side talk. Then talk say, they no talk say. They talk say, they no talk say. If they follow husband, they fight. If they follow husband, they quarrel. If they insult. If they do all this one. Now husband don't go, he leave you. See what you go carry. See what you go carry come inside house. Problem upon problem for on top your body. So now, the matter where they inside this matter. Belle dey inside. Now, the pikin is pregnant. And she does not know what she go do. Now he watch this video where I do for YouTube. Single mothers, what you call them? The challenges of single parents. Now he can contact me. We can't talk about this matter. Now I can tell and say, open your Facebook and be watching. The advice, anything where they go tell you. If you take and say it they right, you do it. If you not do, now your problem. But now I say, make me safe. Make I come. Make I come tell una the matter. And when I go talk for where the man dey, when I go talk for where the woman dey, when I go talk for where the uncle dey, and where the pikin dey. May we take before somebody will come and die. Before he want die, make him know what he do right and what he do wrong. And how the life of this child, it will continue from this moment. So now, I don't talk my own. Telephone line they open. Now may we take calls. May everybody, the number they there. Everybody, better they see you there. But anybody, if you wanna they there, wanna just they write the number they put. So that everybody who can call, it's a WhatsApp connection. You connect the number on WhatsApp and you can call. It's a live show. I beg, this one needs plenty talk. Plenty talk. May I don't leave this matter, because when I hear these things sometimes, it worry me. It worry me so much, because when the woman they cry, yes, that they follow and they cry on top of the matter, because I don't know how this kind of thing, all of these problems at once, they will call the follow person. Yeah. I know they read on our comments. Make her they see. I want una calls. I don't want your comments. Calls. For now they call, make I close show I go. And so that they watch the video, now keep sharing, to touch a woman, to touch a sister, to help them, for wake them up for sleep. To wake them up for sleep. Because some things they do where person no they do. Some things they do where person no they do. You know they do them. Because your head no they think. Women don't become very, very selfish. Women don't become so selfish. Where I don't understand. This money matter. This money matter. What will they talk about? Mr. S say women should call. They don't call. They wait, may you call, may they hear advice. Oh yeah, you should call. I'm waiting for calls. So